What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're about to make a beautiful Bunkie cottage over here in the middle of the woods. So watch this video all the way to the end. You're gonna see step by step how we do it, okay? From pouring the concrete foundation to building the walls, installing the roof. We do it everything, okay, guys? From A to Z, you're about to watch the magic. First things first, we need to pour this concrete foundation. The forms have already been done. Everything has been set. Everything has been placed. There's going to be a large foundation for the bunkie plus a lot of extra space for the patio. So there's going to be a big concrete patio, which is going to be fully stamped to look like an interlock. It's going to be, as you're going to see in this video, I'm going to show you every step of the way. From how we pour the concrete foundation, how we mix it, how we stamp it. Once the concrete is set, see that pipe right there? That's for electrical wiring. So here, as you can see, we're pouring the concrete foundation. We're pouring all the concrete foundation by hand because we're really deep in the woods, kind of. We're not in a place where you can really get a concrete truck to come and, pour your concrete. If we could, we would, but unfortunately, in this situation, we can't. So you can see right here, guys, big concrete foundation going in. This is a very large bunkie. It's almost like basically a cottage, basically a cabin, in front of a small pond in the middle of the woods, basically. Few hours up north from Toronto. So here the concrete is underway. There's a bunch of us pouring. The boys are pouring the concrete by hand, which does make it a little bit more sturdy, I would say, because you are using better quality, right? You're getting better quality stuff. So as you can see the view, it's a beautiful day. Nice, sun's out. The guys are in the shade, so it's not too bad. Here, this portion of the concrete is almost finished, as you can see. From here, we're gonna finish it up, and you're gonna see exactly how beautiful it gets. So I'm not gonna talk too much throughout this video. I don't want to bore you guys, so I will keep silent and let you guys just watch. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comment section. Feel free to visit our website, constructionfirm.ca. Go ahead, visit the website, link in bio. Add us on Instagram, add us on TikTok. Check our website out, browse our website. We have a lot of different designs, a lot of different models for you guys to choose from. We build bunkies, we build sheds, we build cottages, we build any sort of outbuilding, from pool houses to man caves. Get in touch. We even do garages. So get in touch with us. We have a lot of different employees. Everyone is specializes in different things. Like we have our concrete guys, we got our carpenters, we got our electricians, we got our framers, we have our roofers, we got we have a team, big team, full of guys, strong guys, able-bodied. We do have project managers with more experience to watch everything and make sure your project goes fully smoothly. As you can tell here, this project we probably ran through almost 10,000 pounds of concrete, guys. That's 7,000 to 10,000 pounds of concrete. I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But we use a lot of concrete. Now here you can see we're stamping it. Stamping concrete is a little technical. Not anybody can do it. So you have to do it at the exact right time. You have a certain amount of time where it's not too wet and the concrete is not too dry. That's when you can place your stamps, walk on them, and as you can tell, we're adding color to it. So how we add color is we buy the color we choose. You can get red, platinum, silver. In this case, we have platinum. You can get any color you want, and you spray the color before you put the stamps down. So before you stamp it, there's like a powder where you spray it on top of the concrete, and then you put these stamps on top, and you step on them. You let them sit, you let them dry a little bit, and then you remove the stamps. As you can see here, we're throwing the color. We're adding the color right here, the platinum color. As you can see, the other side has already got color to it. It's looking beautiful. Look at that. It's just amazing, guys, okay? This is how we really get it done. We get a beautiful job. We pay close attention to detail. We don't take any shortcuts. We use all of our years of experience to make sure your project comes out to be the best as possible. So as you can see, the guy's got a beautiful view here. In the middle of the woods, there's a pond, big pond, large pond right here, full of fish. Beautiful place, beautiful setting for a beautiful cottage bunkie to go up. So It's total remote build. Okay, guys, now the walls are going up. The concrete is all done, as you can tell. That's where the bunkie will be. Everything else will be a patio. It's going to be a beautiful finish, guys. If you skip all the way to the end, you'll see the end result. But I suggest you watch the whole thing and learn a few things. So we build the walls. We make sure we have strong support where we don't just build it cheaply, right? We're using real codes. Every 16 inches, we throw in studs. We got beams going up, right? We got headers. We really take our job seriously. As you can tell, we got the header up there for the windows. There's going to be 3 windows right here, guys. We got the sister joists. We got the joists up. We got everything up. As you can tell, everything is supported perfectly as it should be. All the windows have more than plenty of additional support because this is a load-bearing wall. So it is more technical, and you have to make sure the load-bearing walls are, done correctly. With that being said, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the show. Here and there, I'll be speaking about what's being done, and the rest is pretty self-explanatory, you guys. I don't really need to explain too much, but if you do have any questions, feel free to give us a message. Just give us a shout. As you can see here, we have the rafters up on the roof, and we're getting ready to do some roofing. So all the walls are built, the window openings are done, the door opening is done. It's a beautiful day. The guys are just about to get set up and start working on the roof, basically, guys. So you can see there's an overhang on the left side. The overhang on the back and the front is about 2 to 4 feet long. So you do have a large overhang all the way around, wrap-around overhang. The entire building has an overhang. So the front, the back, the side, everywhere. All 4 sides of this structure will have a minimum of 2 to 3 feet overhang. The front has a 5-foot overhang. So plenty of space. Even if it's raining or snowing, you're going to be fully covered under the shelter. This is a large bunkie, a very large. I don't know if the video is showing you how large it really is, but it is really big. We got our guys on the ceiling right now on the rooftop. As you can see, they're basically installing the rafters, and they're putting blocks in between each rafter to give it extra support. We're using 2x8 joists, 2x8s and 2x10s for our rafters. 2x6 walls. We're not even building this with 2x4s, guys. We're building this whole structure with 2x6 walls. So it's extra sturdy, extra tough. This structure is not going anywhere, guys. Okay, the way we build it, it's going to last a lifetime. Now, I don't want to bore you guys talking too much. Enjoy the beautiful view. Enjoy the guys working, and I'll basically explain the next process in a little bit here.
Yes. Yeah, if you got a container or something, these nails should get put into it. Yeah, see, I can stand on those and they don't even move. 2x10 strong.
All right, here, guys, as you can tell, we're doing the roof now. We're installing the plywood. After the plywood, we will do the ice and water sheet, so it's fully waterproof. After that, we'll install a metal roof, guys. Okay, we're not putting shingles on this one. I know a lot of our bunkies will use shingles. Here we're using metal roof. The client paid extra money for that, and it is a good investment. You know, I always would tell our clients I would go with a metal roof over a shingles roof, but hey, to teach his own. So this client went with the metal roof. So you'll see that whole install, how we install the metal roof, make sure it's waterproof, watertight. We also install a skylight. Okay, guys, you'll see this in this video where we install a beautiful large skylight. So plenty of light is getting inside from above and the side and the back. Okay, lots of windows, lots of glass on this bunkie, guys. Now we build a lot of different bunkies in a lot of different styles, so make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel. That way you can help you by letting us be able to produce more content for you guys. Okay, this takes a lot of time putting all these videos together, talking, you know, so it's a lot of work. So please help us out by hitting the like button, subscribing, and putting a comment. Now, from the inside, we haven't cut out the opening yet for the skylight, which we're about to do as well. So you will see that as well. You'll see the openings. You'll see us installing the doors. You'll see us installing the windows. You'll see us installing the walls. You know, you'll see it all from A to Z, guys. Now, we have another video dropping in the next few days. So make sure you subscribe. In that video, we're going to show you the entire interior build as well. So we're going to show you the entire exterior build, and then we're going to build the entire interior. I'm talking drywall, insulation, painting, electrical, lights, everything, even furnishing. So we're going to furnish a bunkie for you guys. We're going to build it from scratch. Make sure you watch that video as well. It's going to be up during this week, guys. This week we're uploading it, so make sure you subscribe. Look at this beautiful concrete patio, guys. Big patio, all finished in platinum color. Beautiful interlock rock formation look. Look at the beautiful interior space, lots of lighting, lots of exterior space to walk around in a beautiful setting, surrounded by trees in the middle of the woods, a very remote location, secluded area. I just love this bunkie, guys. So without further ado, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'll let you guys watch a little bit more, and I'll explain the next process. Thank you. As you see here, the window openings are done. The front door opening is done. The overhang is done. There's a big post we installed right here supporting the overhang with a metal drilled right into the concrete to give it extra support. As you can tell here in this beautiful, the nice interlock concrete patio looking like is done. Now we're installing the Tyvek around the exterior of this bunkie. So the entire exterior will have this Tyvek wrap, which a lot of people don't do. We do it, okay, guys? We take that extra step. We take that extra step every time. So as you can see, the Tyvek home wrap is going on. This will ensure, you know, even give you that extra security, okay? Because on top of this, there's going to be another 3/4 of an inch siding going on it, okay? So not only are you getting the plywood wall for that extra, you know, insulation and support, you're also on top of that getting 3/4 of an inch of siding. So you're gonna have a nice thick wall with lots of insulation. Okay, guys, now you can see the siding is going up. Beautiful siding finish, guys. We have some of the most beautiful siding options available. Now this siding the client chose is just absolutely magical. It's so beautiful, it's unbelievable. I'm going to show you guys a bunch of this siding later on throughout this video, where I'll show you some of the beautiful sheets of siding that we have and how beautiful it really is. Okay, guys, you're going to see this whole bunkie be built from A to Z. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button, because we're showing you guys some beautiful work, and we're going to keep posting content for you guys. Thank you for watching, and continue watching. I'm going to, shut up for a little bit, let you guys watch and enjoy. Thank you very much. The client here has this beautiful, beautiful glass right there with the eagle. It's a stained glass artwork he gave us and said, hey, can we install this over here? I think it would be magical. It would look beautiful. So we, of course, took it. We placed it where it should go. We made a beautiful circular cut. And soon it will get caulking. It will be waterproof. And look at this beautiful siding, guys. Look at the design. Imagine this siding stained to a beautiful clear finish, darker finish. It would just look, these colors would pop out. Look at the grooves. Look at the beautiful wood. Okay, guys, this is very hard to find. We have the best supplier for this siding, so make sure you contact us, visit our website, and book your next bunkie build today. We build the highest quality bunkies in Ontario, Canada. Okay, guys, we've been doing this for over 15 years. Before that, we've been a family-owned business where we've been building multi-million-dollar homes. So we build multi-million-dollar homes, and we build very nice-looking, luxurious, open concept, minimalist bunkies, cottages, and sheds, and also basically cabins. Okay, so guys, please subscribe, watch the video. I'm going to show you guys after this. We're going to do the cutouts for all the other windows. There's a bunch of cutouts that need to be done for all the windows. Here's some of the tools we use. Here you go, the cutouts are done now for the windows. The fascia board needs to get installed. We're going to install the fascia boards. We're going to install the siding underneath the overhang in the back. We installed the overhang in the back. We installed all the overhang in the back, so we have to get that covered up. Right there, as you can see, the overhang in the back. We installed that so the window gets extra covering in the back too. And we'll have to install the fascia boards on that. We'll have to install the siding on that to make it look beautiful. Once the siding is installed, once the doors and windows are installed, we will have to install all the trim. So once you install all the trim, it will cover up really beautifully, right? A lot of areas, as you see right now, need trim work around the windows, around the glass, around the fascia boards, in the back, in the front, around the doors. So there's a lot of work, a lot of small detail that needs to be done to make this finish, to make it look beautiful, to make it water sealed, to make it, where it needs to be. So I'll let you guys keep watching, continue watching. We're gonna install the roof soon. You guys will see how we install the metal roof. Another beautiful sunny day, as you can tell. The pond is looking good, the water is looking good, trees are nice and beautiful, giving us some shade, so we can always appreciate that. Now let's get back onto the show.
Oh, sorry.
Over there. Let us go in on our back, in the back of the grotto.
Still needs to come out at the bottom.
Come out?
Still needs to come out at the bottom. I just put that screw.
Yeah, so easy enough. Huh?
I have to take a little shit out. What I'm gonna have to do, because I have to go tight at the top. I have no choice on this one. So I have to go tight at the top. So what I'm gonna do now.
Alright, it's finally time to install the large patio sliding doors. So here our guys are going to be installing this large beautiful patio door, sliding door, lots of light coming in, lots of natural light coming in. It was strategically placed in this specific area due to the rising of the sun and the setting of the sun, so we maximize sunlight in this space. So please make sure you guys watch. As you can tell, the skylight is also in. The back windows are ready for installation. You're going to see that happening very shortly, where we install the back windows, the front and the side windows. So, and also you're going to watch us here. As you can see, the rooftop, we're installing the roof now, the metal roof. It's a beautiful metal roof, aluminum, one of the best in the market you could possibly buy. Underneath the metal roof, as you can tell, we have the ice and water shield, so you got that extra protection for for your peace of mind. Now continue watching this. We're going to show you how we install the doors, how we install the windows, and how we install the skylight. Without any further ado, I don't want to talk too much. Enjoy watching. Thank you.
top one, the top screw, you can take.
Oh, come on. You know.
You don't have any screwdriver?
No, we use.
I think it locks on the top. I don't understand this thing.
That's what I was worried about. It's too fucking big. Yeah. Got the wrong measurements. Alright. So 50.
50. If you bang got this one here, this side. You can put more bend.
I don't want that much overhang.
First part is done the skyline.
Exactly, right?
This one's here is small. Put silicone on top.
It's gonna be just a black touch up. Go over like this. Let it come straight. Oh well, I'll be home in like 2 hours, so it should be awake by then. Huh? I don't know.
So long. No moving.
Just leave it for now. Just leave it for now.